Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Nisha from Nisha's Box, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing top 5 tips to rock the red lips. So let's get started. But first, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and hit that bell button icon too to stay updated. So now let's get started. So tip number 1, you have to choose your red color as per your skin tone very wisely. Like for fairer person people, you guys can go for coral shades or orange hint shades. For bronzy or medium skin tone, you guys can go pink based or canberry kind of red shades. And for darker skin tone, you guys can definitely go for cool shades or fixed shades. Step number 2, apply a concealer all over your lips to create a smooth canvas for your red lipstick to play with. Step number 3, don't ever forget to line your lips like this. Always make sure you draw a cupid bow like this on your lips with your liner. It will enhance your lips shape. Step number 4, now it's time for the lipstick, and it is highly recommended that you use an applicator brush or a lip liner brush to apply the lipstick. It makes the application much easier. If you want to have much darker red shades on your lips, you can reapply one coat of your lipstick. Step number 5, hide those unwanted and over the line lipstick by applying a concealer all over it, making it correct like this, as you can see. Now blend it very carefully. Hope this video was helpful. Do let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, do share the videos if you like it. It's all free, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.